Hi there. In today's video, we're going to be doing an overview of the Buildertrend software. So this is the home page when you're going to log in. Over here on the right-hand side, you can see there will be notifications or quick little hits of information that you can access in the program. On your left-hand side here, we'll show your invoicing amount due and the option to make the online payment. First, we're going to go into our settings. In the top right, underneath the gear, we'll go into setup. You can always edit your photo, replace the file there, or add in a new file. Anytime you need to update your information, email address, phone numbers, come into the edit contact here, and you can make those changes. You are the only person that will have control over this. You can also create a guest password. So if you want to share this with any of your friends or family, where they can log in and see updates about your project, but not see the financial information, you can create an account for them to log in and see this information. You can set up your payment methods right here. Also manage your notifications. You get email notifications, text message notifications, and push notifications. Clicking these boxes down, clicking them down further, selecting the boxes that we want to get the notifications for. First, we're going to start in our project management tab, underneath schedule. In our schedule, we can see the schedule items, but also other things. You can see like a daily log up here. And then if we have any invoices that are coming due, they will show up here as well. I can click into one of these schedule items here and see the detailed information about that schedule item. If there are any questions that I have about the schedule item, I can make a comment right here. I can make that comment, hit my drop down arrow, and select this individuals that I want to notify from the company. Go ahead and send my comment there, and that will send a notification to these individuals. Once I make that comment, you will see that the comment will start down here and start a little thread. That way, any kind of communication is stored and easily accessible from Buildertrend here. Like I said, we can look into the daily logs here, and we'll discuss the daily logs here in just a moment. There are other views of the schedule that we can look at. See all the items at one time here. See how things are connected together. Different options inside these as well. One thing to always note is you can always filter for different items, keywords, or selecting different items. Next, we're going to go into daily logs. Daily logs are a great way to read a summary about what's happened on your job site, see some pictures that have happened on your job site as well. See, there's a couple different ones in here for example purposes, but you'll see a note section. They can include weather reports. They may have a related task that you will be assigned to. There can be photos in this attachments area and comments made on these daily logs as well. Same thing where we just make the comment, select who we want to notify. Grab one here that has a photo attachment on it. See, got a little summary about what's happened, maybe some stuff about what's happened next on the job site, weather reports, no related tasks, and then now our attachments in there. Click open these files and we can take a look and see what's going on our project. Comments down there as well. Okay, so now we've done schedule and daily logs. We're now going to go into to-dos. To-dos may be, a list of tasks that need to be done, or just one task that needs to be done here. They will be assigned to you for you to be able to view them here. So you will click open this one. It says browse our showroom. Read the details in here. Once you've gone through and taken a look, maybe picked out some products, you will go ahead and mark this task completed. Go ahead and hit save, and then it will mark that task completed for you. If I need to find that now, I can come into my filter your results, go into all my statuses there, and I have that one that has been completed. One other thing to note is this little checklist item here. See that little check mark in our checklist column. Go ahead and open up that to-do. Everything's still the same here, still has your notes, still has all of your due dates, still can mark that complete up at the top, but there are little checklist items down here as well. So always kind of make sure that we're not missing any detailed information here. Attachments, comments once again. These to-dos are viewable on our schedule as well. Next, we'll go into our change orders. So any dollar amount that is changed from the original contract will come in here and be approved, need to be approved. We'll go ahead and we will open up that change order, review the detailed information about here. Looks like we're upgrading something. And then we would go ahead and approve this. We need to have this check mark box here. Go ahead and approve that change order and then give us your best signature there. Once that has been approved, that will update our contract price. We can also request change orders there if needed. Next, we're going to go into our file section. This is where we're going to store documents. You may or may not have seen a video before about signing documents. So there may be times that a PDF file will come in and then it needs to have a signature on it. We will find that in this area. We're going to go into files, go into documents here. We have our list of folders. Inside here are folders created by the builder, and then you can see documents inside of here. Once you're along the job, there will be documents uploaded. Your contract will be uploaded into pre-sale documents here. Be able to click in here and find your contract once that has been signed. And then other document folders inside here as well. One that we have touched on before, if you have seen the video over our files, we'll go into contract documents here. We'll see that there are some PDF files in here that do need to be signed. We have one signed here so far. These two have been unsigned. To sign this document, I would simply just click the request, review the document, sign it where need be. Give us your best signature again, and submit that signature. We also have photos that will be uploaded, like we saw from those daily logs. We can easily access those photos from this files photos section here. Anything that's tagged in blue will be an attachment that has been put on from one of those daily logs, from one of those to-dos, or any of the many different features throughout Buildertrend. So if you see a blue folder here, that means it has been attached somewhere else in the program. If I click on that blue folder though, I will see all the available photos that have been uploaded into my account. Along the way, Builder may upload photos into these other folders here as well. We also have videos, so be cautious there. There may be photos or videos uploaded into folders there as well too. Those can also be attached in those daily logs. Underneath our messaging tab here, we have a comments section. This is just a quick way to find all those comments that were made. You can see that comment that we made earlier here. We can open up that conversation, get right to that comment. We also have an internal messaging system here as well. So this is a great way for you to communicate with the builder. Simply just hit a new message there, select the internal user that we are going to try to send a message to. Go ahead and CC anybody if needed. create our subject, create our body. We have our attachments down there as well. All these messages will be stored within the program here so that it's easily accessible for the company to see and also for you to view as well. There are also some surveys that will need to be taken. So if I go under messaging here and go into surveys, you will see always check here for these surveys. Fill out their responses and submit your survey. Fill out the responses, submit your survey. Last thing is our invoices. Go into financial here. We will have a list of our invoices that are coming up due. We'll have the options to open those up, see detailed information about them, options to pay them online right here. All you have to do is enter your information. If there's any questions, please reach directly out to us. Thank you and have a great day.